Are you looking for the best scroll saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best scroll saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the DEWALT Scroll Saw. The DW788 was undoubtedly our favorite. While the price might seem high, it's right at the sweet point where you get the most bang for your buck. First things first, vibration. There's virtually none, which owes to the double parallel arm and the heavy base. The blade lock also allowed us to quickly change blades or remove them in order to make separate interior cuts. The arm also comes upward, making it child's play to replace the blade in the internal cuts. If you're looking for speedy workflow once you get used to the saw, then you're looking in the right place. The table also can be used to make cuts at 45 degrees to either the right or left, and does it well, which is something we found astounding at this price point. Our only issues are the lack of a foot pedal from the factory and the fact you'll have to buy a stand or DIY one if you don't have a suitable bench. Up next in the fourth place is the Jet 22-inch scroll saw. This offering from Jet might be a little bit much for the average person at home, but the advantages offered to the professional are hard to ignore. Really, most of the price increase seems to come from little innovations. Changing blades with this one is even easier than the DEWALT. The arm lifts as well, and the tensioning and clamping mechanisms are controlled from the same lever, helping to speed up workflow. The blade tilts instead of the table in this case. It might take some time to get used to, but we found this to be pretty nifty for our amateur efforts at testing the saw. It's really the base that caught our attention. There's a slot to slide blades in, making the quick change even more convenient, and it has a movable blade storage system for those who want to keep everything in one place. The third product on our list is the ShopFox W171 16-inch variable speed scroll saw. For those who are just getting started and know they're serious about learning to scroll, the ShopFox W1713 is a budget pick that performed quite well. It lacks a quick change release, unfortunately, but it comes with some built-in features which are nice to have. The light, blower, and variable speed are all nice touches. There's no compensation for the SPM control, however, so you need to work with it slowly. And that was the main complaint with this saw. While fine control of the workpiece is pretty much a requirement for any scroll saw, this one seemed exceptionally slow. Even pine would begin to bind the blade, which is a recipe for breaking things. That said, it's not really designed for putting out production pieces and makes no claims to be the greatest saw on the market. It's a bit finicky, but we were able to dial it in pretty quickly during testing. Second on our list is the Wen 3920 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. Wen does a great job at making innovation with their technology, but oftentimes corners end up getting cut. What you end up with is versatile, budget tools, but nothing world-changing, and this one is no different. The specific innovation we're talking about here is that the blades can be inserted at a 90-degree angle, allowing you to work around the 16-throat capacity. There's also a great LED light included, which was the best of any of those we tested that weren't an aftermarket edition. There's also onboard storage, which is a nice touch for those who don't have a setup already. Unfortunately, the build quality is a bit low here, and like the ShopFox, it's a what you see is what you get system when it comes to the variable speed controls. Finally, the top product on our list is the Delta Power Tools 69420 variable speed scroll saw. We don't want to knock on this tool too much. In practice, it worked better than the cheaper models on our list, but not enough better to justify the price. The throat of the Delta 694 is also 20, so it's a bit bigger as well. The arm does lock upwards, allowing for easier blade changes. It's a solid machine overall, it just doesn't seem like it fits its price point. The biggest culprit was vibration. It felt like it was going to bring the garage down, but after checking we saw it wasn't lubricated, and that sorted itself out with some oil. There were other little things like that, but once tinkered with, it worked well enough. All of our complaints are really aimed at the price point. It's just not the best way to get the value out of your dollar. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.